Alright guys, I run this for Joe Bowles. Call this the Joe Mini. 8:18 p.m. Type live. Run a mini here, look for top 2. 8:18. 8:18. Grab list. 35 spots. We got 35 spots, and we have top 2 each get spots in the main. We will drop that in. 35 entries, John on the bottom, Joel on top. Alright, 35. I'm going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. 4, it's not high enough. We're going to roll 2 dice again, 5 or higher. And we have a 5. That's good. 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Dice to 5. Next click. Top 2. And 5. Congrats to Joel and Aaron. You guys are the winners. Get in touch with Joe. Get your spots in the main. We are done. 8:19. Type done. We are done. 8:19. 8:19. Verification. Timestamp.